Hey my dear friends, you are watching English with Mansur, the place to build your English confidence. So you can see I have come to our mess from my home, and just because my college has started, for what I have come, and this is going to be the day 11 of my English speaking practice. This is not my village. This is Dhubri. This is the place which is near my college. I stay here because from here it's very easy to go to college. That's why I stay there. So okay, let's avoid this. Currently I am pursuing PhD course in mathematics, and I have come here just before 2 days. It is evening time, and just look behind me. Sun is setting right now, and it is really so much nice. And this is the moment which is really so much silent, and the birds are chirping, and at the same time I am practicing my English in front of camera. Okay, so whoever want to speak English, so first of all you have to practice, since as like we are the citizen of India, since like Indian citizen, there is not so much good environment to practice English. So you can try in various kinds of app, and you can consume the English content as much as possible, and you have to read the books, you have to learn vocabularies, these kinds of things you can add here in your habit. After this you will be able to speak English. Actually action gives direction, so you have to start speaking English. So after starting speaking English, you will get the direction in which way you should go so that you can speak English. So, and I am also a boy who has not so much good environment to practice English. That's why I consume the English content as much as possible, as well as I practice English in front of camera, and I upload that in my YouTube channel. Okay. So that's all for today's 11th number series of my English speaking practice. Okay, keep learning, keep growing, and keep shining. Okay, we'll see in the next video, which is going to be the day 12th of my English speaking practice. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.